What's up? What's up? We are heading again, guys, to another gun show. We are here at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, and this is the Crossroad of the West gun show. Ito, inimbitahan tayo na itong isang vendor. Ipapakita niya yung Gatling gun niya. Nandito raw sa sasakyan niya. Kaya tignan natin. Ito yung mga pinanta-transport nila sa mga paninda nila pagka pumupunta sa mga gun show. Oh my God! Look at this!
You have flashbacks right now?
This is the Gatling gun.
Go turn the handle.
This one?
Yeah, turn the handle. On the right.
Where? Oh! Oh, this is so huge, bro. And you have also this, what do you call that?
Boston Confederate cannon.
How did you bring this to the gun show if you put inside?
Rolls right out, pretty easy. As long as no one's standing behind it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Like me.
Oh. Ito, yung panindan niya nga, guys. Ito yung mga...
Maybe at Alexis Park, December 20. Maybe.
Oh, yeah? And they have also this, what is this, bro? Bro, what is this?
That right there is a sheet.
And they have a lot of, you know, old guns. And also here.
This is behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Absolutely. Anytime.
Ipakita ko lang din isa-isa kung naghanap ka ng ganitong baril, yung mga antique. Ito. Makakahanap ka pa dito. Bago natin tignan yung mga presyo ng mga baril is ito. Ikot lang tayo dito sa gun show. And this is the table of Western Trails gun show. Hi.
So we're just here doing transfers.
Oh, just transfer?
For one of our favorite dealers.
Oh, okay. And this is non-refundable background check. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is the Bear Arms. Hey, bro, what's up?
What's happening, brother? Yeah. How you doing?
Yeah, good. How are you? Yeah.
We're good.
Yeah. So where's the boss?
He ain't here today. He's in California.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, is it also gun show?
He normally does, but he had to cancel this one with me because he went to California to see his family.
Oh, okay.
So,
yeah.
Shazad's out of town.
Yeah, at least you are here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. See you later, bro.
Later, brother.
Hi, sir. Yeah, good. Oh, what kind of gun is this? 6 Sauer 5.56. 1.3. Oh, nice, huh? This is the 1111 tactical, guys. Hi, madam. How are you? Oh, this is nice. Ang habang shotgun, ha? What's this? TTI Combat. Oh, this is... Oh. Ito, ibang design na ng TTI Combat to, ha? Kasi ito yung madalas kong nakikita. And they have another design. Ito, 949. Ayan. Pero parehas lang yung presyo niya. This is 949 and this is also 949. Ito yung American. $100. Thank you. Oh. Glock 45. Oh no? 42, 43. XL height fits all Glock models. Oh, okay. Oh, 19. Yeah,
that's a 19.
Oh, this is... Oh, yeah. Nice. So, the side, this side is also Ameriglo?
Amerigo, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Front side's night side.
Front side, yeah. Oh, okay.
That's the most popular.
Oh, this is, oh, is it 3 barrel?
3 barrels.
Oh, this is Charles Daly. 20 gauge. 1,600. Look at this. Ito guys, 3 barrel shotgun. Look at the barrel. Ito guys, nakahanap tayo ng accessories ng target dito. Hindi na ito steel target, kundi ito yung parang plastic na, pero sabi nila pag tamaan mo ito is mabutas, pero parang maghilom din daw, sabi niya. And this is the price. $60. Tapos itong set na ganito is 60 rin. Ito kung gusto mo ng slide, ito marami rin siya. Hey brother Ben, how are you?
Hey, brother. Good to see you, man.
Yeah.
See my Glock?
Oh, what is this?
My Glock 19.
19? Oh. Oh, you customize, huh?
Probably the last all metal Glock you ever see.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
sir, sorry, I don't-
Okay.
The only ones I have is the Glock.
Yeah. So this slide is you have here?
I don't have this one. We used to sell it though.
Oh, okay.
All metal, even the lower is metal. It's a Kinetitech trigger.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice.
Trigicon,
Yeah.
like $2,500.
Uh-huh.
The holster is $200 by itself.
Nice.
Lindall holsters.
Linda. So this is also compatible with the Glock 19 Gen 5, this holster.
For what?
Glock 19 Gen 5.
Yeah, you can do a set like this. I had this one custom made for me.
Yeah.
Lindall holsters.
Yeah.
They made the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
They have the level 2 retention.
Yeah. Oh, nice. So where is this one here? Do you have this one?
No.
Oh,
I
no?
don't sell it. I had them make me this.
Oh, okay, okay. This is again the stabilizer, right, Ben? Ito kung gusto mong bumili ng stabilizer nga dito guys, is ito. They have different kind of stabilizer. Ito meron siyang $400. This is 300. Oh, this is nice design. And this is 460.
Okay. These guys are only $100. Yeah, this company recovered, man.
Ito.
Some of this chassis is only $100. How much is this chassis? $100. 100? I think it's sweet.
This is 60.
It fits almost every block.
Yeah? So how can you operate this one? Oh, you just insert here and clip.
You have a safety,
Yeah,
built-in gas pedal,
Yeah.
charging handle,
oh,
magazine 1, 2. Put this on the top. 3
yeah,
magazines.
yeah. Oh, nice. So this is $60, right?
No, that's for the field cameras. This one is $400.
Oh, 400. Okay. The same, this one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just different accessories.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, Ben.
Yeah, good to see you, bro.
Yeah.
Keep it in my backpack.
Oh, this is nice. May mga tripod din dito para sa baril kung gusto mo. Ito, sit down, give me a try. Oh, hello sir. How are you? Yeah, good. Yeah, yeah. So you still have these nice accessories. Yeah. Okay, thank you sir. Ito kung gusto mong mag-experience ng baril na ito, ipatong mo lang sa tripod is ganito. Meron din pang pistol kung gusto mong hawakan, kalabitin mo na lang is ito. Hi. Etong Gansho kasi guys is this is the second day and it's already noon time. Kaya parang konti na lang yung tao. Hindi ako naka-attend kahapon kasi I'm busy. Meron tayong trabaho. Kaya ngayon lang tayo napasyal dito. Ito, may mga amo rin dito. Oh, this is, what is this? $145 ito. Nice. Rust 2.0. Kung gusto mong, kung naghanap ka ng mga accessories din guys, ito, meron silang dito. Ito. Ambi. 308. Ito. Yung maliliit na parties, makakabili ka rin dito. Itong mga, katulad nito, yung mga parts ng ARS, ito, meron dito. 10.5 inch 556, this is $300. Ito, 40. $25. Checkmate. Then after 9mm. Oh, $200, 9mm. Buo na, isalpak mo na lang to sa lower kung may 9mm guys. Ito. Okay na. Hi. Yeah, good. Yeah, 200. This can fit to the regular AR lower, bro. It can fit? No.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Might need a different mag weld attachment.
Oh, so how if you want to convert to 9mm for the 556? What do you need to change inside? You change the BCG?
Yeah, it's a different BCG and a different upper altogether.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they have an attachment. They don't work as well. It's
Yeah.
better just to get a 9mm lower.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Thank you, bro. Ito, napakagandang Colt to, ah. Parang heavy duty yung kanya. Hi, sir. Sa halagang ito, 1,900. Ito, this is 1.5. Meron ng kasamang scope na Bushnell. Oh. This is Smith & Wesson. Oh, this is so huge, huh? 500. Oh. This is the 500. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Nice.
These are all hand-painted menthol seals. You put the fragrance in the bottom when you sit in your room, I'll get the fragrance in my room.
This is just as a keepsake. You better not fire nothing about it. This is beautiful too. Look at this. Oh, that is gorgeous.
Oh, with carry handle. Oh, guys, if you are looking for an what is this? 308, bro? 556. 300 blackout on it.
All the prices are the same.
Oh, it's all the same. 240. And this is, oh, this is much cheaper, bro. This is 308.
Yeah, but it doesn't come with the BCG though. That's the only thing. I don't have the BCG for that.
Oh, okay.
I think price-wise and fairness, we try to give a good product.
Yeah.
And we also try to be fair to the market. We don't try to be overpriced and overvalued.
Yeah. So did you assemble just yourself with this gun? No. Did you assemble with yourself?
Yeah, it's our own company.
Oh, your company? Oh, okay.
So we're out of Phoenix, Arizona.
Oh, okay, bro. Yeah, okay, thank you.
Alright, appreciate it.
Dahil nga dun sa previous video ko about dito sa pwesto ni Kabayan is may nagre-request na bakit daw hindi ko pinakita lahat, guys. yung mga paninda nila. Kaya ito, napakarami pa rin siyang paninda kahit sabi ni Boss Rapi na marami na silang naibenta. Pero ito, punong-puno pa rin yung table nila. Nandito pa yung barret niya. Ayan, yung 50 BMG na barret. And ito, meron siyang hindi ko alam kung ito for collection. 50 caliber 349. Nice. Dito yung umpisa natin dito, guys. Ipakita ko lahat itong panindangan ni Kabayan. Ito yung Glock 17 Gen 5 599. Ito wala siyang optic. Glock 19 Gen 3 Viking. Ito optic ready with threaded barrel. Ayan, 822 19 Crusher. 19 Crusher Glock Perfection. Ito optic ready rin. Glock 19 C4 Caborca FDE. Ayan, 749 40 Glock 47 MOS 699. Ayan, Glock 45 MOS 699. Ito yung Glock 45. Glock 48. Ito MOS din 499. And this is Glock 48 Agoge green. Ito naman yung ZZ TS. I think this is the TS2 40SW. Ito 2199. 5.2 yung barrel niya. Ito napakaganda na itong pang competition, guys, kung nagbabalak na maglaro. Parang ito ready na, naka-magwell na. Then meron ka ng rest dito sa thumb mo. Ayan. And this is, what is this? What is this, Pedro? Ross Martin? Ross Martin, right?
Yes, it's called a Savior.
Oh, okay.
So it's a Glock 19 clone.
Oh, yeah? Oh, ito naman, guys, yung FN 509. Oh, Franklin, huh? Oh, no. This is MAC military armament. 2011? Oh, yeah. Nice, huh? How much this one? 850. 850? Oh, for 850. Ito, meron ka ng pangtapat sa staccato, guys. Ito, Military Armament Corporation, MAC. Magwell na rin. Tapos yung magazine niya is ito, 17 rounds. This is 9mm, right? Oh, 9mm. Nice. And this is the high power FN 1299. Parang 1911. And this is the P10 P10F. Ayan, 499. Malaki, ah. And this is the P10S. Ito, P10S. Ayan yung presyo niya, 599. Maganda rin, ah. P10S. 10 rounds. Oh, this is the shadow system. Ito, guys, parang hindi pa masyadong naririnig sa Pilipinas ito. Pero sabi nga nitong mga nakakausap ko sa gun show is parang katapat ito ng Glock din. Pero ang kinaganda nito, dito na manufacture sa US ito. Talagang original, made in America, US made. 899. Tapos ito 849. Optic ready na, traded barrel. Ganon din dito, 899 traded. DR920, and this is DR920. Ano pinakaiba nito? Parehas. Oh, parang mas mahaba ito. Parang mas mahaba yung isa. Ito naman guys, yung Walther PPQM2 699. Isang magandang baril din ito kung naghanap ka ng handgun. 45 ACP ito, 699. Ito 22 LR, and this is the PDP 799. Threaded barrel ito, MOS ready. PDP ito pala, parehas lang guys. Ito mas maiksi lang ito. Ito yung 4 inches yung barrel nya. Ito PDP 15 rounds capacity yung magazine nitong mas maliit. Itong 5.1 yung mahaba is ito full size 18 rounds. Yan, Walther PDP. Then ito guys yung Gearsan 1911 10mm. Ito 499. Ito yung itsura, made in Turkey. Tapos ito 1911 679 38 Super. Oh, ito mas mahal to, 38 Super. And this is the 38 Super din, 629. Mas mura siya kaysa dito sa isa. Ano ito? 38 Super. And Pitbull 9mm. Ito, kung gusto mo ng revolver, isa meron din dito. 9mm. Ruger 5.7. Ito. This is the Colt Python. Ito 1499. Ayun, mas mahabang Colt 357 Magnum. Parehas 4.25. Ayun, yung 6 inches yung isa. Yan. RXM Ruger 499. Ito mga Ruger to guys. Ito Security 9. Ito 369. Ito RXM American Flag 529 Ruger. Yan, napakagandang design din ha. Yan, ito meron pala silang Colt yan. Ito naman guys yung Beretta. Kung naghanap ka ng Beretta is ito, meron siya dito. Ito yung M9 699. Ito yung Beretta APX 4.8 threaded barrel din. Ito optic ready. Haba 17. Pero ang haba ng kanya. Ang haba nitong grip nya. Ito parehas, made in Italy. Ito naman guys yung MNP. Yan, 5.7 threaded barrel 679. Ito 599 22 Magnum. Bodyguard. Ito yung napakagandang pang bulsa ito guys. Kung pang self defense lang ang hanap mo na maliit, pwede mong i-bullsize. Ito Bodyguard. Napakaliit, 499 ito. Halos maitago mo lang sa palad mo. Tapos ito, 380 ACP. 10 rounds. Ito, Bodyguard 2.0, 469. Ito, Bodyguard 2.0, 380. Bodyguard, ito, magandang design din yan. 449. 10 rounds. Ito guys, yung mga bodyguard na paninda ni Kabayan siya, ito marami siyang design ha. Ito. Tapos ito, kung may pang babae rin kung gusto mong bumili. Tapos babae ito. 469 naman ito. Then ito 10 rounds din. Ito yung MMP shield niya. Ito Shield X 9mm 3.6. Ito medyo malaki na ito guys. Pero itong Smith & Wesson is manipis lang yung body niya kung ikukumpara mo doon sa Glock. Tapos ito 15 rounds din yung capacity. Mas mahaba nga lang itong grip niya. Yan. Ito naman yung Smith & Wesson Equalizer. Ito. Mas malapad yung slide nito kumpara dito sa Shield X. Tapos ito, meron din siyang ito 13 rounds yung magazine niya. Tapos meron siyang ito. Parang shape niya dito sa likod. Ito Shield Plus. Ito 529. Yan. 9mm 3.1 yung barrel niya. Inches. 10 rounds. Tapos itong Shield 2.0. Ito guys, maganda rin kaso itong MNP guys is parang mas manipis nga yung ito, yung pinaka-body niya, yung barrel niya. Ikukumpara mo sa Glock. Tapos ito 45 pala ito guys, 45 auto 6+1. Ito 499 45 ACP MNP 4.6. Ito yung 3.3. Ito mas malaking version niya ito. Ito mas mataba na yung slide nito. Tapos yung capacity niya is ito 10 rounds pero 45 ACP. And ito GeForce. Ito 9mm 349. Ito HK 899 9mm HK BP9. Napakaganda rin to ha. Heckler & Koch. Then 17. Ito, Ross Martin. Dallas. HK P30B3 9mm. Yan. HK P30. Ito magandang design din to ha. And ito guys, kung gusto mo ng ito life card to 22 LR. Yan. And this is the ano to? P80P FC9 suppressor heights. Oh, gandang design. P80. That is the polymer. Tapos ito guys, kung gusto mo ito, the Micro Draco 999 ito. Micro Draco 762 by 39. Ito. Kung naghanap ka ng parang pistol version ng AK, ito Michael Draco. And this is Sastaba. Oh no, Century Arms 799. Then ito ulit guys, yung isang favorite ko, ito na 308. Kung magkaroon ako ng budget, ito bibili ako ng ganito. Ito yung M77 from Sastaba. Ayan, makita mo yung design niya is ito. Napakaganda. 1599. Tapos ito 1497. Ganon din. M77 din, 308. Ito nga guys, yung mga paninda na pistol, handgun ni Kabayan from 1111 Tactical. Marami siyang panindang iba pa. Nandun yung mga AR, tapos may mga shotgun dun sa kabila. Silipin ko rin dito sa kabila. Punta tayo dito. Ito meron din ditong, ito mga old guns din to ha. Ito original M1 carbine 3080. Original 3080 ha. Ito 599. Shotgun 20 gauge. Ito. And this is Mauser 1425. Yan. And this is 20 gauge. Winchester 1906 950. Ito kung naghanap ka ng shotgun din. Ito. Napakalaking shotgun to ha. 2 barrel. May extrang barrel kung gusto mong bilhin to. TriStar. Wala lang presyo guys. Ito guys yung Springfield ito. St. Victor 5.5 barrel 9mm. Ayan. And this is Springfield 22 LR. Meron din siyang mas mahabang version itong Springfield 9mm. Ito 1,199 naman.
Mga tangkay si kami.
Ito Delton yan. This is Delton.
Meron ka rin anong tawag doon?
Anderson.
Yung double barrel na 45, anong tawag doon? Yung anong carbon?
Anderson 499.
Yung dalawang barrel na 45, meron ako doon.
Toto 3556.
45 to double.
Radical. Ito Radical din. And this is pink AR 800. Ito, meron ng kasamang ito, front at saka rear sight, meron ng red dot sa halagang 899. And this is also ito, diamond back pala ito guys. 800. Ito is diamond back din. Ito 599. Parehas kaso wala nga lang itong accessories. Ito makita mo walang front sight, rear sight, wala siyang red dot. Pero ang presyo niya is 599, 600. Nagka-diferensya sila ng almost 200 dito. Sa ito. Sa complete accessories ng isa. Ito is response. Ito kung naghanap ka naman ng 1911 is ito, marami rin tong paninda sa kabayan. Super. Paul. 1911, 38 super. And this is CNC. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Kimber. CNC Kimber. This is Iver Johnson, ito gold plated din. Gersan 499. Ito 9mm 349. Holster included. Ito. Pack Ultra MS. Rock Island. Ito Rock Island din guys. Ito kaso walang ang presyo. Reforce. Kruger. 999. 45 ACP. Ito. GSG. GSG. Made in Germany. 22. Ito yung Desert Eagle. 44 Magnum. 2299. Ito, tumaas na yung presyo nito guys. Dati ito parang 2,000 lang to dati nung nagbablog ako 3 years ago. Pero ngayon tumaas na ng 300. 45 ACP. And this is OA Defense. OA 9mm. Oh, magandang design din to ha. And this is OA Defense 2311.
Oh, yung Desert Eagle. Yeah.
Ito yung Canik. Right. SFX Rival. 649. Canik SFX Rival 699. Oh, mas mahal to ha. Century Arms TP9. Canik.
See, I don't really care to have my stock though. I'm a buzz doing like this.
You want that? No, just.
I know, I don't want it. I don't like shit. That sort of shit. I don't have a problem.
Maraming salamat ulit guys sa pagsama sa aking video. Sana wag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot mo na rin yung notification bell